We do a lot of works throughout the day with our hands, and this is the body part which exposes most in sun rays and environmental pollution. And obviously, age is one of the prime reasons of wrinkled hands. Today, we will talk about how to remove wrinkles from your hands naturally. Usually, we do not give the importance to our hands as we give to our face. We do cleansing, scrubbing, apply sunscreens to protect our face, but ignore our hands to a great extent. So, getting wrinkles in hands is a common problem. But if you want to get rid of this problem, try these excellent home remedies, and rejuvenate your hands naturally at home. How to remove wrinkles from hands naturally in 2 days. Tomato juice. Tomato is rich in lycopene, which is one of the most effective remedies to remove wrinkles. Simply extrude the juice of a fresh tomato, and soak your hands in it for 30 minutes. After that, rinse with cold water and apply moisturizer. Pineapple pulp. If you are looking for a quick way to remove wrinkles from hands, a fruit rich in vitamin C can be very effective. Apply pineapple pulp over your hands, and leave it for 20 minutes. Then rinse and apply a good moisturizer. It is a wonderful remedy in toning your skin, and removing wrinkles totally from your hands. Rice powder. Make a paste with 2 teaspoons of rice powder, 1 teaspoon of rose water, and 1 teaspoon of milk. Now apply it on your slightly wet hands, and leave it for 20 minutes. Then wash it with lukewarm water and apply moisturizer. Do this 2 times a day and get beautiful hands without wrinkles. Aloe vera gel. Use aloe vera gel for moisturizing your skin naturally. Aloe vera contains malic acid, which will remove the wrinkles, and reduce the signs of aging from your skin. Cut a fresh aloe leaf, and beat the gel until it becomes a cream from the lump. Apply it on your skin. When dry, massage your hands very well with olive oil. Do this 2 times a day. Also, use olive oil while cooking to stay young and beautiful internally.